8 healthy vegan recipes for weight loss. Hi and welcome back to my channel, Healthy Bites. If you're on a journey to lose weight while following a vegan lifestyle, we got you covered. Here are 8 healthy vegan recipes that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to support your weight loss goals. These recipes are designed to help you shed pounds while enjoying a variety of plant-based ingredients. Get ready to indulge in a delicious and healthy journey that boosts your overall wellness while aiding in your weight loss goals. Number 1. Sweet potato and black bean chili. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious dish, sweet potato and black bean chili is a great pick. The sweet potatoes give it a touch of natural sweetness, while the black beans add earthy flavors, making it a hearty vegetarian chili that's both yummy and nourishing. Plus, those sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins A and C, while the black beans provide a good source of protein and fiber. So it's a super healthy option that everyone can enjoy, even if you're a meat eater. Whether you work a comforting meal to warm you up on a chilly day or just tasty dinner for Meatless Monday, sweet potato and black bean chili is the way to go. It's a flavorful choice that nourishes body and your soul. Number 2. Oven roasted squash with garlic and parsley. Oven roasted squash with garlic and parsley is a flavorful and healthy side dish that highlights the natural sweetness of squash while adding a savory kick. The dish is typically made by roasting slices or cubes of squash, such as butternut or acorn squash, in the oven until they are tender and caramelized. The addition of garlic and parsley enhances the flavors and adds a fresh herbal note. Squash is a nutrient-rich vegetable, packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. It is also low in calories and rich in water content. Roasting squash helps to concentrate its natural flavors and brings out its sweetness, creating a delicious and satisfying dish. Whether served as a side dish or a light vegetarian main course, oven roasted squash with garlic and parsley is a delightful addition to any meal. Number 3. Cauliflower rice pilaf. Have you tried cauliflower rice pilaf? It's a delicious and healthy to take on traditional rice pilaf that swaps out the rice for cauliflower. To make it, just pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it looks like rice and then saute it with onions, garlic, and spices. Not only it is a great option for a low-carb or grain-free diet, but cauliflower is also full of great nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. So if you're looking for a creative way to enjoy the flavors of pilaf while also getting some extra health benefits, give cauliflower rice pilaf a try. Number 4. Eggplant Pomodoro pasta. If you're a fan of Italian cuisine, you're going to love eggplant Pomodoro pasta. This dish is the perfect combination of tangy, tomato sauce, and savory eggplant. Trust us, it's beyond delicious. The recipe involves sauteing diced eggplant until it's tender and caramelized, then simmering it in a rich tomato-based sauce with garlic, herbs, and spices. The name Pomodoro translates to tomato in Italian. So, you know this dish is all about those juicy, flavorful tomatoes. Eggplant is a versatile veggie that easily absorbs all the delicious flavors of sauce and adds a meaty texture to the pasta. The tomatoes, on the other hand, provide a burst of freshness and acidity that perfectly balance everything out. It's a match made in heaven. This pasta dish is a staple in Italian cuisine. It goes great with spaghetti, penne, or whatever pasta shape you're in the mood for. So go ahead and indulge in some Mediterranean flavors you won't regret. Number 5. Spaghetti with vegetables. Spaghetti with vegetables is a versatile and nutritious dish that combines the goodness of pasta with an array of colorful and flavorful vegetables. The dish typically involves cooking spaghetti until al dente and sauteing a variety of vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, carrot, broccoli in olive oil or butter. The vegetables add a vibrant touch to the pasta, providing a range of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Spaghetti with vegetables is a popular choice for those seeking a lighter and healthier pasta option, as it offers a balance of carbohydrates from the pasta and the nutritional benefits of the vegetables. It can be customized with different vegetable combinations and seasoned with herbs, garlic, and grated cheese for added flavor. This dish not only satisfies your taste buds but also provides a wholesome and colorful plate that celebrates the beauty of fresh vegetables. Number 6. Easy Vegetarian Lentil. An easy vegetarian lentil recipe is a simple and nutritious dish that showcases the versatility of lentils. Lentils are a type of legume known for their high protein content, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. This recipe often involves simmering lentils with aromatic vegetables like onions, garlic, and carrots in vegetable broth or tomato sauce. Lentils absorb flavors well and become tender during cooking, making them an ideal ingredient for hearty and satisfying vegetarian meals. The dish can be seasoned with spices such as cumin, coriander, or paprika to enhance flavors. Lentils are not only budget-friendly but also provides essential nutrients, making this recipe a popular choice among vegetarians and anyone looking for a nutritious and easy-to-make meal option. Number 7. Chickpea and Tomato Quinoa. Chickpea and tomato quinoa is a wholesome and delicious dish that combines the nutty flavor of quinoa with the protein-packed goodness of chickpeas and the tanginess of tomatoes. Quinoa, often referred to as superfood, is a complete protein as a rich source of dietary fiber, iron, and magnesium. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, provide additional protein, fiber, and essential minerals. The combination of these ingredients creates a satisfying and nutritious meal option. The dish typically involves cooking quinoa and sautéing it with chickpeas, tomatoes, and a variety of spices and herbs for added flavor. Chickpea and tomato quinoa is not only a filling vegetarian option, but also a great choice for those looking to incorporate more plant-based proteins and whole grains into their diet. Number 8. Veggie fried rice is one of those dishes that just hit the spot every time. It's versatile, tasty, and easy to make. What more could you want? This dish has its roots in Chinese cuisine, but these days you'll find it on menus all over the world. And it's no wonder who can resist those colorful veggies mixed in with a perfectly cooked rice. When making a veggie rice, the key is to stir-fry the rice and veggies together until everything is nicely browned. Carrots, peas, bell peppers, onions, all of these can work together, and don't forget to season with soy sauce, garlic, and whatever other spices you look like. Aside from being delicious, veggie fried rice is also a great way to get some extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber into your diet. Plus, it's customizable. Add in tofu, scrambled eggs, or whatever protein substitute floats your boat. Whether you're a veggie or just looking for a new way to enjoy rice, veggies, this dish is a winner. And that concludes our list of 8 healthy vegan recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any healthy vegan recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!